My name is Amir. I'm the CEO of Bioconscious Technologies. So I come from a long line of healthcare professionals. My family's been involved with healthcare for generations. My dad's a surgeon, really wanted me to be a surgeon. My mom's a molecular biologist. They really wanted me to become a surgeon or be involved with the medical field. I, however, kind of feel like my generation really likes machines. So, my background is in machine learning, computer science, specifically. But I kind of had that medical knowledge and the medical background. So I kind of sit at the intersection of healthcare and what's possible with machine learning and potentially software engineering. If I could describe myself in 3 words, it would be something like out-of-the-box thinker, I would say, hard worker, and then technologist, I think. I really like technology for, better or worse. Frankly, to be fully transparent, I don't remember where that desire for technology developed. When I was very little, one of my exciting sort of hobbies of mine were if there was an electrical equipment that wasn't working, I had to take it apart. And that wouldn't necessarily mean I would be able to fix it, but I would just make things out of, the electrical parts. It looked like it was a new machine, but, that's kind of like how I got into it. To the point where I would just open, these little things. So the TV's not working. Oh, and half an hour later, Amir has disassembled the entire television, which was great. My parents loved that. But over time, what I really liked about technology was I always thought that technology can help us augment ourselves and what we can potentially do. I realized early on that I'm really into getting specific types of equipment and spending time reading the user manual and setting it up 100% and having it do its thing, or building little pieces of software and robots, if you will, that can help me do things and achieve more. And that kind of got started to the point where my family was kind of like, well, you know what, you have background of, healthcare or whatever, you should be more, your life should be more infused with healthcare stuff. Did a little bit of pre-med. My dad had me assist a few surgeries, which was fun to watch. But, I always came back to I just really don't see myself going that path. It's always like technology is easy, it's cleaner, I know what I'm doing. Then obviously over time developed a passion for software. And the reason for it was because kind of like programming things and building specific software programs really helped me put what was in my head into an actual working prototype, if you will.